Good evening. This video we are making of the Liseo L71 three-sided fireplace for which we are sending 4 pieces to Mustang, and I'll go through. So this is the main fireplace unit. These two are its legs in cast iron. On the left hand side, these two are the baffle plates. This piece comes on top of the fire box. This piece comes in the back of the inside back of the fire chamber. That's the grate. This is the ashtray. These two angles and these two clips. These two clips will hold the side glass on top. These two angles will come at the bottom of the side glass. That cast iron strip will come in front of the fire chamber, and those clips and screws are required to fit the glasses. This bottom is where the air goes in for combustion. Smoke comes out from here, and this 2 pieces of side ceramic glass with a sticker marked this side up, and this is the main ceramic glass with a sticker marked this side out. That is the outside facing part of the glass, because these are specially coated glasses. The next video we'll show how this is assembled so that the assembly is easy for you, and we'll be sending tools for the assembly too. This has to be done because to make sure that when the goods reach you, they are all in one piece and the assembly is done on site. So this is the fireplace. We open the gate. We're going to first demonstrate how to fit the baffle plate and the back plate. So this is the baffle plate, and to fit it, you insert, one person inserts it like this. And then we take the back plate and that fits your back plate and baffle plate. That's it. Doesn't take 1 minute. That's the ashtray. It just slides in, and over that fits your grate. It's easily removable if you ever want to, and if you want to empty out the ash, you just have to take it out like this. This incidentally is your air control. When the stove is very hot, you can use this to use the air control. Now we will show how the glass is fitted. For the three-sided fireplace, these are the 4 screws and clips required for fixing the front glass. Appropriate screwdriver will be supplied with it. The same screwdriver will be used to fit these 2 longish clamps, which have 2 holes each, for the top of each of the side glasses. So there are 2 side glasses, so you need 2 clamps. And for the sides of the side glasses, you will have these 2 clips each with the appropriate Allen key. Now we're going to be demonstrating how to fit the side glass. It's very simple. You first place the side glass with the sticker indicating facing outside. That should face outside. Dalo. Gently place it. It will fit snugly against the fire rope. the clamp there. Take a screw. That's it. Take the second screw. That's it. Take the side clip. दिखाओ कैसे डालना. Place it like this. And use the Allen key to tighten it. This Allen key will be provided. That's it. And the second clip. दिखाओ कैसे लगना है. हाँ लगाओ. Use the Allen key to tighten it. And that's it. Your side glass is fixed. Okay. After the side glass has been fitted, this angle has to be placed, as we'll show you. Place karo. There's a little screw there with an Allen key, which will also be provided. Place it like this and make sure that this is fully there. That's the screw, and just tighten that screw with the Allen key. And you have to repeat this operation for the right side glass also. Identical. And the sticker can be removed after this operation is done. Now we're going to demonstrate fitting the front glass. Ensure that the sticker says, which is this side out, faces out. Place the glass gently. And there are 4 clips. The clip is inserted. एक second, दिखाओ कैसे insert करते हो. हाँ, insert the clip. दिखाओ, डालो. That's it. That's the first clip. The second clip, again insert it. Please remember, there should always be 2 people doing this. The hands should be clean. It's an easy fit. And the last clip. That's it. The glass is fitted. Remove the sticker from outside, and now we will demonstrate how to fit this front guard. This will fit like this. That's it. And the fireplace is ready. You have to fit the right side glass though.